Yep, sure do. Oh man, it's been a busy day, guys. I tell you what, busy. But I'm gonna try to drive this car up to a guy that's gonna do a little bit of body work for me. And it don't have no front windshield. Hopefully we won't get stopped. What an adventure this will be. I'm all about adventures, let me tell you. All about some adventures. I don't have to go far. 10 miles. Put a little gas in it first. Hope it don't eat no bugs. Talk about wind blown. We're gonna be wind blown. Woo! Be a cold ride home, boys. That's about 45. This windshield will be 20. I choke tan a little bit. Clean her out and get on the road down here. Got a nice view up here. We're up in southwest Virginia. man. We're in the home stretch now. About a mile and a half. Ready for a cup of hot chocolate. Crazy, man. All the trees are blooming. How nice. I got a line of cars behind me. I'm running about 35 and 45. That'll be alright. I'm about home. Yeah. I can coast from here. Woo, man. We got a, yeah, my choke's hanging a little bit, or got a foul plug or something. Clean up a little bit. Oh man. Woo. All right. Oh man, guys, let me tell you, I got a mess. I got this old Honda here I'm working on. Bought it rigged, I'm gonna fix it. Got a van in here. I'm trying to get it ready to go to a show in Pigeon Forge, Tennessee in April. Got another wrecked Honda in here. My garage is packed full. But we got the Impala back from Aaron. He was able to jump on this for me, and I was really glad he could do it. And you can see you got all this around the glass area. You got all that cleaned up for me, did the body work around there, so we ain't gonna have to worry about taking the glass back out if we decide to paint this thing. And actually the color matches pretty good. Either we can dull this or shine this, and it'll all maybe blend in together. So I was glad to get that done. I know I had an area here that was kind of a sharp corner. I can see you rounded that out for me. So yeah, I was glad to get that done. Yeah, big thanks to Aaron jumping on that for me. And I'm gonna try to get this thing maybe this coming week, get the glass put in. If I can do that, then maybe the guys who do my seats can start on that. So anyhow, that's where we're at, guys.